Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions tutorial, and this is ActiveCampaign tutorial for beginners. So guys, ActiveCampaign provides a cloud-based marketing and sales automation software with features for email marketing, lead scoring, and web analytics. It is a CRM platform and a live chat messaging platform called Conversation. So guys, first thing you will do is go to activecampaign.com, and over here, as you can see, they have over 185,000 plus customers grow their business with Active Campaign. So these are their credential, you guys. So guys, this will be their homepage. And then from here, the first thing you will do, guys, is click here, try it free. So we're gonna have to provide our email first, guys. And then from here, click on try it free. And from here, guys, we're gonna type in our name and then also our phone number. Hit next, and then it's gonna ask you how many contacts prospect do we have. I'm gonna click on the minimum, which is 500, and how many employees do you have. I'm gonna go for 2 to 5, and what industry are we in. So I'm gonna go for media and publishing. And from here, guys, you will have here an integration where you can use this platform. If you don't have none, guys, just click on next step. And then from here, you're gonna have to set up your password as well. So guys, Active Campaign is an easy to use and take a little time or training to use. And also you can use it to automate and manage your sale process. And actually, guys, you can use their CRM to automate any business processes, internal or externally. So guys, first things first, this will be their homepage. And from here, they will have an option on your dashboard, getting started. So over here, you will have multiple tutorials on how to use their platform. As you can see, this is very helpful for the beginners. As you can see, they have multiple steps over here for you to understand more features about this website. So guys, first thing we are going to discuss is the contacts over here. So guys, in the contacts, we have here an option to export or import if we have a file for our contacts, or we can manually add a contact over here. And from here, you'll just have to manually add them as your contact. So let's try to add a contact. And then once you are done, guys, just click add. And then from here, guys, you can have a contact actions, which you can add it to the list, or you can add your employee or your contact to a deal, or you can add it to a tags or advanced list options. So for now, we're just gonna click on skip. So from here, guys, we will see here the information about our contacts. And on the sidebar, we have here multiple ways to manage our contacts. We have the accounts, we have the list, tags, fields, scoring, list inclusions, database sync, export, subscription by email, custom email headers, contact trends, field breakdown, nearby contacts, and tag trends. So this is a very detailed way to organize your contacts. So now guys, let's move on to the campaign. So over here on the campaign, we can create a campaign right away. Just click on create your first campaign over here. And then from here, guys, you're going to have to provide your campaign name. And then we're going to select what type of campaign we are going to do. So they have multiple options here, you guys. They have standard, automated, autoresponder, split testing, RSS triggered, and database. So we're gonna go for automated, you guys, and click on next. And then from here, guys, it will redirect us to the automation window. So from here, the first thing we will have to do is select a trigger. So here on the trigger, we have categories over here so we don't get confused. So from here, we have the behavior and actions. We have e-commerce category, email and messages, sales and CRM, and web properties. So I'm gonna go for behavior and action. So from here, I'm gonna select over here, click a link in an email. So when they click a link in the email, this automation will be processed. So from here, we have an action option. if it's a standard campaign or a one by one email. So I'm gonna go for standard campaign. And then from here, we're gonna select an email. So I'm gonna have any email and we're gonna have any list or we can have the master contact list. And then from here, we can also runs. It can be once and it can be multiple times. And we also have the advanced, which can segment the contacts entering this automation. And now we're going to click on add start. And then from here, guys, we're going to select add a new action. So it can be send an email, send a site message, SMS, and multiple things. And over here, we have categories as well. And as you can see, this is a very detailed way in order for you to automate your email, you guys. So for now, we're gonna go for send an email. So from here, we can have a template for our email. So I'm gonna provide a name for our email. Let's go for mail one. So from here, we can start with past campaign or we can save with a template. So I'm gonna go for this. So from here, guys, we are going to design our template. So it can be text only, custom HTML, or we can choose an email designer. I'm gonna go for email designer. So over here, guys, we will have a lot of options that we can choose from provided by Active Host. So guys, as you can see here, we have a category over here that can be custom, an update, an announcement, request action, sell a product, or holiday and season. So I'm gonna go for all basic templates. And also guys, we have here start from scratch. But as of now, it is best to start with a template when you are just starting out. So I'm gonna go over here. I like this one, product box in stock. So I'm gonna go select, or guys, you can have it preview over here, but I'm gonna select it. And then from here, we will have the name, the email, and the email subject. And we're gonna hit on continue. So from here, guys, we have here the sidebar. So here on the sidebar, we have an option, a contact, and a global settings. So first, we are going to the content and we will have here a drop down as well. We have structures and blocks and save modules. We're going to go for structure first. So here we will have multiple options that we can choose from. I'm going to go for this one. So guys, you just have to click and drag it. And as you can see here, we have a structure. So guys, this structure will be helpful for your email. And next up, we have here the blocks. So here on the blocks, we can have an image and we can also have a text. We can have a button. We can have a spacer, a video, and social media as well, a banner, a timer, a menu, HTML, and a button card. And we also have the RSS. And so we have here multiple options. And next up, we have here the save modules. But as of now, we haven't saved modules since we are just getting started. So now, guys, let's make it simple. I'm going to add a text over here. So from here on the sidebar, we will have multiple options, you guys. We can have the color text. We have the background, the alignment, the spacing, and also over here we have the padding as well. So guys, from here we also have here an feature where we can hide this element when it comes to desktop and when it comes to mobile. As you can see, we have here multiple options, or we can show it to the both. And from here, guys, when you click a certain structure, as you can see here, we can upload a picture over here, or we can add a URL, or we can add a link as well. And if we click another structure, let's say this one, as you can see, we can add a link so they will be redirected when they click buy now on our email. And then, guys, once you are done editing your email, you just have to click next. So from here, guys, this will be the summary of our campaign. And from here, we have an error that we haven't verified our domain, but that is okay because this is just a beginner tutorial. And guys, once you are done, you're just gonna hit on save and exit. And then from here, guys, we can send it immediately or send it with predictive sending. So I'm just going to go for send immediately and hit save. So from here, guys, we will have multiple options to create our campaign over here. So here, when people click the link on their email, it will redirect us to the first email. And from here, we can also add another one. So when we add another one, it will redirect us here to add a new action. So over here, guys, we can customize our whole email campaign. So I think this feature, guys, is a really helpful one in order for you to customize your email campaign. And as you can see here, we also have here an AI builder. So here on the AI builder, this will help you maximize your automation with the help of AI. And also here, guys, we can manage our email over here. So here, guys, we can test our emails if it is working. So over here, we can have a preview of our email automation. And then next up, guys, we have here the deals. So from here on the deals, we will have a tutorial over here. And now, guys, let's try to create a pipeline. So over here, we're going to provide the name of the pipeline, and we can have here the group access, the default currency, and the assignment method. And then from here, we will have multiple options. We can add a deal to the contacts. We can have a deal on in contacts, and we can also have here the follow up. And also, guys, you can add a stage over here. So we want to add a stage. Let's say we have a stage called pending, and we can have it colored so it will be more organized, and click add. So guys, you can have here multiple categories that you can have so your deals are more organized. And we also have here an option to change the view. It can be like this, it can be like this. So we have multiple options here. And on the sidebar, same thing as well. These are all deals, but they are on different categories. So it can be task, save response, field, deal settings, connected emails, task settings, calendar, and the others. And next up, guys, we have here the website. So, guys, over here, you can gather crucial information from visitors and use that info to automate interaction across multiple channels to grow your business. So, guys, this feature is a really helpful as well to launch automation from gathered information and to create a custom account and custom object field. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.